Hello, once again, it's me. Now, this is for April 24th, Thursday. Okay, today we're going to read about comprehension. I will read and you will listen, and after you are finished, you're going to do a video reading on your pronunciation. And after I will explain what to do on the student book and on the workbook. So please pay attention. I am going to read and you're going to send me a video on your pronunciation. Today we're going to read about green energy for today and tomorrow. Did you know that most of the energy we use comes from the sun? For example, the sun helps plants to grow. Plants that grew millions of years ago turn into coal, oil, and natural gas. We call this fossil fuels. We use fossil fuels to drive our cars and trucks. They are almost burned in power plants to make electricity for our homes and schools. However, fossil fuels make pollution. This is bad for the earth. Fossil fuels are almost non renewable. Someday they will be gone. So scientists won't want people to use green energy. Why is green energy important? First, it is clean, it doesn't hurt the earth. Next, it's renewable, it won't run out. Green energy gives us almost 25% of the electricity we use today. What are the main sources of green energy? Put what you've learned about energy in your own words. Hydropower. Hydropower uses moving water in rivers and in dams. Moving waters has energy. This water pushes the blades of turbines and the blades spin and make electricity. Hydropower makes 16.6% of the electricity we use. Wind power. Is the wind power new? No, it isn't. People used wind power many years ago. Sailboats moved with wind. Windmills made flour from grain. Today, wind turbines make electricity. Wind farms have many wind turbines in the area. Wind's power makes 4% of the electricity we use. Okay, biomass. Biomass is an energy that we get from plants around us. For example, dead wood or grass is burned in power plants. This makes electricity. Scientists can also turn corn into fuel for our cars. Biomass is green energy because we plant new trees or crops. After we use it, biomass makes 2% of the electricity we use. Now, green energy. Ocean rises fall each day. Wind also makes big waves in the ocean. This moving water can make electricity. There is also heat under the earth surface. Scientists can use this heat for energy. We may find other sources of green energy in the future. Someday, green energy could make 100% of the electricity we use. It is clean and it won't run out. That's good news for the earth. Solar power. The solar power comes from sunlight, the sunshine of the solar panels, and the electricity. Solar power is now as cheap as fossil fuels. It makes 1.5% of the electricity we use. However, we are building more solar panels each day. If you look carefully, you might see solar panels in your area. Okay, that's good. Now, on page 89, you're going to read the contents and scan the text to 190. Circle the words as you read. You're going to circle the word source, fossil fuels, non renewable, and renewable. Then you're going to answer these questions. Okay? And on page 92, it says, what do you think about wind power after reading the science article? I want you to explain to me in your notebook with your own words what you think about it. And exercise A, think the boxes below. You're going to tick below to talk about your choices with your partner. Well, since you don't have a partner, you have to do it home alone. Okay, if you want run it won't run out, what? The green energy or the fossil fuel? You have to check one, or if it's both, you can check both if it's the correct with the story. Also, you choose a paragraph from a green energy. Okay, you have one, two, three, four, five, six paragraphs, and you're going to choose one. And after you choose one, you're going to write here with your own words what you think. And in letter C, word and contents match each sentence with paragraph faces sentences. You can put a line or you can put the letter with the correct answer. Okay? And that's it. And for your workbook, you are also going to read the story on page 80. And then in the top, it says, read the article. What forms of renewable energy is the selection about? You have to tell me what renewable energy is about and write the answer in a sentence. And on page 81, what are some good things about solar energy? About what you read in this story, you're going to put two things that are good. And in letter B, answer these questions. What type of energy can solar system make? Also from the story, you're going to write the answers here. One, two, three, and four. And in exercise two, how do you make solar thermal power? Number the sentence in order. That means in the story, it gives you the order. So you're going to put one, two, three, and four. It depends on which order is first. And in letter C, words and contents, read and write. This is the words from the vocabulary. All you have to do is put the vocabulary in the correct sentence. And that'll be it for today. And I see you next time, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.